Hi guys, so this is the part 2 of Gege Bear haul and I'm really shook that Gege Bear is going viral in India. Like पहले लोग इस brand के बारे में ज़्यादा aware नहीं थे, but nowadays people are getting aware and मेरी पूरी Insta feed Gege Bear के product से भरी पड़ी है. So if you don't know what Gege Bear is, it is a Chinese brand of makeup that makes the dupe for Korean and Chinese makeup. So yeah, that is what Gege Bear is. So let's start the video. Let me show what I got. This time I haven't got so many products. I have 4 products to show you guys. So let's see what are those. So first up we got this adorable blush that comes in this super cute bulb shape packaging. It has that applicator like the one She Glam blushes use. I have no idea what product this is a dupe of though, but the pigmentation is good. I mean, at least on my palms the pigmentation looks pretty good. So now let's see how it looks on the cheeks. I would say the pigmentation is pretty sheer, not super pigmented, but you can definitely build it up to whatever level you want. I had to apply this blush like 3 times to get the pigmentation that I wanted. So yeah, and it retails for rupees 299 on Amazon. I have no idea what is the price on Flipkart, though some products are cheaper on Flipkart than Amazon and some products are cheaper on Amazon than Flipkart. So I would just link down the cheaper one link below in the description so you can check it out. Next thing that I got is this lip gloss, and it is probably a dupe of Kiko Milano lip gloss. It's this super pink strawberry milk shade and it literally smells like roses, but it doesn't leave any stains or anything. It is a clear lip gloss and the strawberry milk shade doesn't really show up on the lips. It pretty much just looks clear. This lip gloss also retails for rupees 299 on Amazon. As for the longevity of Gege Bear products, they last kinda like any other Indian affordable brands like Swiss Beauty and Mars. So you'll need to retouch stuff like blushes and lip glosses after 3-4 hours. As for this lip gloss, it lasts about 3-4 hours, but the shine fades over time just like any other lip gloss. So next we got this super cute and unique blush. Like, I have literally never seen anything like this. It also has a mirror. Like, how cute is that? So it is a powder blush with a puff, and the powder from the bottom container seeps through the puff. Like, I will show you. I'm gonna open the container so you can see what the powder actually looks like. I was honestly shook and kind of scared because the powder looks super light. On Indian skin tones, especially on medium and dark skin tones, I thought it might look weird or totally wash out, but guess what? As soon as the powder touched my palm, the color actually deepened. So to apply it, you just dab the puff on your skin and the blush comes out. It is super simple. So let's see how it looks on my cheek. Okay, so ye wala bhi is a sheer coverage. You definitely have to build it up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I realized that this shade doesn't flatter me as much as I hope, but I still like this blush. See, the thing is that the pics online aren't super accurate. The actual shade is like 1 or 2 shades lighter than what it looks like in the reference photos. But yeah, we cannot say this about every product. I mean, shade matching can be super tricky with Gege Bear products. Also, this is a very matte finish because it's a powder. So the next is this lip oil. It is basically a dupe for Clarins lip oil, and even packaging looks the same. It's got this thick and fluffy applicator, and I love this kind of applicators. So this is how the shade looks on my palm. It's like a grapey magenta kind of color, but it's not thick at all and it is super lightweight, so I love that about it. Alright, let's apply it to my lips. So my lips are pigmented and some lip glosses can look weird on me, like they don't show the actual shade because of the color theory, you know. But this one, it looks so pretty and it gives me that natural pink lip kind of vibe. I don't know, I have this habit of getting super close to the camera to show you how it looks up close. But anyway, I like the color. And one thing that might like ache some people out is the fragrance of this lip oil. It has a very strong like fruit beer kind of smell, but when you apply it, the scent fades. So that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, let me know your thoughts and let me know if you want me to do part 3, and I will see you the next one. Bye.